Pretty wonderful view, huh? We camped down here along this road this morning. We got an early start and are pretty close to the top of the mountain. See the sunrise. Been an interesting morning. How you doing, babe?
Better now that I've eaten.
Good. Can't beat moments like this. It is 6:07 and we just finished our breakfast. And to give you an idea of how early we woke up, it's 6:07. This is when we'd normally be just now kind of possibly waking up. We've already come 2.5 miles straight uphill and we've eaten breakfast and we're all packed up. It's pretty good. And we have a beautiful view. Rolling desert hills. Man, I'm gonna miss the desert. But not as much as I'm gonna love the Sierras. This reminds me of Big Bend. This whole section has kind of reminded me of Big Bend. Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah, I'd say so.
Man, those mountains over there look pretty. We're sitting at about 7,000 feet right now. And unfortunately, this is as high as we're gonna get for a while. Until we hit the Sierras, which might be those mountains over there.
I don't think so.
Probably more in that direction where we can't see.
Maybe.
But we are getting close, and we're heading in that direction. Man, it's beautiful. It's such a wonderful wind right now. We need to wake up early and hike more often, babe.
I kind of agree, yeah.
Because this is awesome right now. Look. Deery poos. In their natural habitat.
Look at he's like, what the?
An odd looking deer. There he goes, prancing along. Huh. I don't think those are deer.
What are they?
I don't know. They might. I guess they're probably deer.
They're family deer.
Yeah.
Right, look at him, he's like, they're still here.
Huh.
He's looking back.
What are they doing? What are they doing? They're so mean. Cannot wait to be climbing those mountains. There's one real tall one in the back too. Right over there. This is a beautiful section. We're on top of a pretty tall mountain ourselves right now, at about 7,000 feet. And in that direction, I see some even taller mountains. That makes me excited. Yo, Megan,
Yes.
what do you think about my new hairdo here?
I love it. It's wonderful.
Does that look good? You like that?
Yeah. Okay. Totally.
Did you enjoy your siesta lunch break?
I did.
Oh, very nice. What's that orange thing on your head?
Oh, my glasses. I'm putting on my contacts now.
I love it.
It's too early in the morning to put on my contacts earlier today.
Understood. It's like 2 o'clock now. We're about to hit the trail again. Unfortunately. That'll be good. It'll be hot though. It's been warm today, so.
Why'd you say unfortunately?
Because it's sunny.
Oh.
Oh yeah, it's all good. We're on this nice gentle road for a little while longer. And then we got a little bit of up something. And then it's all downhill from there. So we shall see.
Woohoo.
You can do it, Cloud. Give us some shade. Ah. Very nice. It's a beautiful day. A little hot when the sun comes out like that. But the clouds will come and block it every once in a while, which is nice. Hey, we finally made it to the top. We're not going up that one.
Nice.
Look at that view.
Do you have any little snacks?
Yeah, I've got a bunch of snacks you can have.
Just give me whatever you want. Please.
Alright, just 1 second. Just looking around. Wow, this place is beautiful. Look at all those mountains in front of us. Those have got to be the Sierras in the distance, way back there. See them?
What, yeah? Could be.
We are about 50 miles from Kennedy Meadows, and things are certainly starting to change as far as mountains are concerned. I feel like things are beginning to get a little bit more rugged, which is awesome. There it is, the subway, and a Little Caesars, and a Taco Bell. Ah! So we just got a cool hitch into town from this one guy. First he thought he was kind of like a scary looking sketchy dude in a white van, but he was super
really
nice. Dropped us off right where we needed to go. Gave us some tips.
Mom's like, no white van.
Told us to camp on the lake because nobody's going to give us any crap there, apparently. When he was a kid in high school. This car coming. Oh. Hold on, car. Oh, perfect. He's letting us pass. When he was in high school, he said he used to go down there and party all night. So if he can do it, we can.
Yeah. And honey mustard and white mayo.
Look how good that looks. How's yours?
I have 2 sandwiches. This is my baby for tomorrow.
It's gonna be all slimy
this,
tomorrow.
Oh, I don't care. It's going down tomorrow. This is fantastic. Thank you, Subway.
Oh, it's so good. You can't see the sign, but Grocery Outlet Bargain Market. This place has great prices.
Oh, yeah.
I think the best we've seen on this entire trail so far. I wish we were doing more than a 2-day resupply here because we'd get a good deal.
Where's she?
What?
No, I handed her my trash bag to look at, and then it's gone, and she had my trash bag.
I don't know.